Well guys, just arrived here. I'm gonna do a video, full out video of unpackaging it, installation, and all the duct work here in my new shop. Haven't been able to find very much on this dust collector. Just good reviews. What's up YouTube? This is Joe with Steel Blade Woodworks, and wanted to give you a little introduction here of a series of videos that are fixing to come out. We're going to show the unboxing and installation. We're going to try to do as much detailed. The videos have been shot. Anything that I might have missed once I go through all the editing process. We'll do a recap at the end of everything, and what I missed, I'll try to get that in there to give you all a little bit more insight of what it takes to get this machine installed. So what we're trying to do here is, I wasn't able to find a whole lot out there. Maybe it was the way I was trying to search for this particular unit. So I figured when I got it, I was going to do a detailed installation. I don't know how many videos it's going to take to do the footage, but I'm going to try to combine it and try not to bore y'all too much. These are some of our first videos, so we're still trying to learn the whole process of editing and whatnot. So we're going to try to give y'all the best possible installation instructions on what we did. Just a quick recap. When you do get this, you are going to need some help to install, or at least mount that upper part blower housing, because it is very heavy. So it's kind of an odd piece, and I wouldn't suggest you doing it off of a ladder. You're going to need some sort of lifting device to try to do it. If you have some of you guys may have a little tractor, front end loader, or rig up some sort of hoist. You'll see what we did, and you can use that if you have that type of stuff on how my son and I were able to lift this up and get it attached to the wall. I'm going to show y'all some of the construction of the wall, what we did to beef up the wall, because it is heavy. So it can be mounted. Just take into consideration there's a lot of weight hanging on there. So you do need to follow Grizzly's instructions on the two boards that you see back there on how this unit's mounted. And I went a little further and secured it more than what they require in their instructions. I just, peace of mind. Now, you don't have to go through all this if y'all decide to go with the stand. I didn't want to have this unit take up more room, more space than it already is. So that's why I decided to put this on the wall. To me, it's a little cleaner installation. That's my opinion. Y'all do whatever. The only thing I know is that if you do mount it on, if you do buy the stand, you could pretty much put this whole blower housing and Cyclone and build it on the ground, and then have somebody help, or a few guys then can just stand the stand up with it all intact, and makes it a little easier. But that's for y'all to figure out. So when you get this unit, it's going to come in basically 3 pieces. Well, 4, 2 boxes. This comes in its own box alone. The filter, housing and filter, it all comes combined. The brackets and everything above that you see comes in the first box. It's straightforward, and I'll try to get into detail in the recap, but it's not very hard. The hardest part you're gonna have is getting that upper portion attached to the wall. Other than that, everything else is just straightforward. Some of the steps you got to go through, or the instructions, you got to figure them out. They don't explain fully, but you'll figure it out. It's not hard. So yeah, this is I just wanted to come out and let y'all know what we're fixing to do and what y'all are fixing to see. Hopefully y'all like it. If you do, subscribe, follow us, and y'all can follow us through this whole progression of my dream shop build. And if you have any comments, put them down below and let me know what you like and what you don't like. I'll catch y'all later. Bye now. Recording, hello.